what happens after you flush? Have you ever thought, does it matter what I put down the drain? Or how much water I use? The answers to these questions can save you money and time, protecting your system and features of your home. If your house is on a septic system, your sewage is collected in a septic tank, then filtered through the soil back into the groundwater. When the system is working properly, it results in clean, filtered water. As a homeowner, you have an important role in ensuring the long-term life and function of your system. Let's look at how your septic system works and what you should do to properly maintain it. What happens when you flush, or when you take a shower, or wash a load of laundry? When water leaves your toilet, shower, sink, or washer, it goes into your septic tank. The septic tank serves two purposes. First, it collects and holds solids and debris such as human waste, food scraps, toilet paper, and grease. Second, it provides an environment for microbes to break down our solid waste. The solids that are broken down settle to the bottom as sludge. Debris like grease and food particles float to the top. The next phase of your system is a lateral or leach field, which is typically just under the surface of your lawn. Wastewater exits the septic tank as it is discharged into a series of trenches called lateral lines that slowly leach the water into the soil where microbes break down and filter the waste. Good soil is one of the world's best filters. That's why a properly installed and maintained lateral field is a great way to treat wastewater. Now let's talk about maintenance. Does it matter what you put down the drain? Yes, it does. In order for your septic tank to function properly, don't put trash down your toilet or sinks. Excessive grease, household chemicals, paper towels, cigarette butts, baby wipes, feminine products, plastics, and food particles can interfere with the breakdown of the waste and result in a heavier effluent leaving the tank and entering the lateral field. Even though solids break down in your tank, they don't disappear. Every 3 to 5 years, have your septic tank pumped out to get rid of sludge, floating debris, and scum. This will protect your system from getting clogged. A properly equipped septic tank has baffles that block solids from leaving the tank and getting into your lateral lines. When you have your tank pumped, ask the contractor to make sure baffles are in place, and if not, ask them to install them. If you have a pump tank as part of your system, protect the electrical components from harm. An alarm should be in place to let you know if your pump has failed. Falling into a septic or pump tank is not what you want to do and can be very dangerous. Your tank is required to be fitted with 1 or 2 lids that are secured with screws, bolts, or heavy weights. To maintain your lateral field, the field should be kept open and free of any structures. Make sure that you don't damage your field by driving vehicles or heavy equipment over them. Compaction of the soil reduces its ability to absorb wastewater. Do not dig too close to the lateral lines or construct a pool, fence, or plant trees that will impact them. And don't let the soil above your lateral lines become or remain bare. The ideal condition of a lateral field is to have a nice thick lawn on top. Does it matter how much water we use or put through the septic system? In one word, yes. The volume of water that we use will affect both the septic tank and lateral field. Heavy amounts of water, such as multiple loads of laundry in a short period of time or multiple people showering while running the dishwater, can disrupt the digestion process in the septic tank by dilution. It also pushes heavier amounts of solids out of the tank, sending them into the lateral field where they can clog the lines. Heavy surges can also result in a temporarily smelly, saturated lawn. Get to know your septic system. By protecting and maintaining your system, you prolong its life, saving you money and costly repairs, and preserving your home's value. It also helps to keep you on good terms with your neighbors and will help keep the water in our creeks, rivers, and lakes clean.
For more information on how to keep our watershed clean, go to www.oldhamcountyky.gov and click on Curry's Fork Watershed under Community Links.